Hey, what's up everybody? My name is SOFF and we are back playing another mission in Arma 3. We're in Takistan searching for 3 high-value targets. Our squad is gonna get airlifted up north while the rest of the battalion start their search down south. So we're basically alone, as usual. Let's go!
Air mobile will be delivered by Sierra to the far northwest. They already have a drop zone marked. Excellent. Mechanized infantry with the assistance of 2 IFVs and 1 tank will be heading northwest, and you guys already have markers placed. Once air mobile is done with the northwest corner, you will be delivered to join the rest of the battalion, and together the battalion will sweep through the markers in the northeast. It's very simple. Be effective. We have air support, we have artillery, call it as needed, but it will be limited unless you know where either king, queen, or ace of spades is located, because we will not allow them to die tonight.
User was moved out of your channel.
Alright, FLs, if you check your map near the DZ, please all members mark the DZ as your waypoint. We'll be airdropping onto that waypoint. FLs, please check next to DV, there is a red and blue marker. Members, please check that as well.
Yeah, I know.
Copy that, will do.
This mission would be perfect, 10 out of 10.
T-Bone?
No one would die.
Guys, hold guns, please.
Take control, T-Bone. I lost control, my...
Lost control?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, what?
GG.
Rip.
Arma.
Ah.
Can you
Jump.
control again?
Say when you landed.
User entered your channel.
SOFF is down.
Derek at the crossroad, guys. Guys, taking shots. I'm at the crossroad, taking heavy fire and wounded. Blue, rally up, blue.
Radio check.
User entered your channel.
Smoke, 2 targets taken. Get red team cleared at the oil rig compound with the red marker.
Medics primarily tend to
User
wounded.
left your
Anyone's
channel.
up, look to clear the buildings with your fighting leaders.
User entered your channel.
Red team, you're right.
We got Arison down and the Dutch warrior is down as well.
Guys, if you have more than 2 members go down, please radio through to me so I know to check up on you.
I just noticed.
Take it slow, radio, no rush. There's a... bearing 110.
User entered your channel.
Oh. Oh. No! God damn it! Thank you.
Command.
There he goes.
I believe it's command.
I so tried, Red Wolf, believe me. Turned around the corner, got shot in the leg, fell down, and I couldn't do anything, so he just kept on shooting me.
No,
Get down the road.
the pilots.
3 guys.
I see. Okay, what I want you to do...
Ready?
They're gonna need to pick up either way.
I'm ready. I can take the one on the
How
left.
many pilots are there?
I'll take the right. Just wait a second.
3. Hey, that's my
2.
job.
Oh,
1.
Can you patch them up or have they lost a lot of blood? Do you want the blood? Okay, what I'm gonna say is to patch them up.
one left.
Would it be crazy to try and carry them here? That's really
Oh my god.
crazy.
I see a vehicle to
Oh, hit him.
bearing 2 states 5.
He's down. Just went.
The
Outside
road is
was
clear,
that,
there's still
copy.
people in the compound far west, north, southwest.
He showed himself.
Okay, man, tell me when LZ is safe and I can contact the backup.
He's down.
LZ should be safe. We're just taking some pop shots.
Alex, the end of the road looks clear.
Alright, so you see anything, SOFF?
I don't see jack shit.
Alright, I'm gonna move up to there. Once I'm there, you join me, okay?
Yeah, sure. Go.
I'll do a small sign when I need to move.
Yeah. Enemy BMP.
Location. West West, moving northeast on the road outside building. Quickly back blast. Cover us down. Don't bunch up guys, break the buildings and cover. He's moving back.
Got you.
Enemy BMPs, 2 enemy BMPs. Yeah, one's down.
Good hit, boys.
Oh! Miss. Nope.
I think those tires are bulletproof.
Yeah, I'm on the silo. You need to be near the dirt, you need to be under grass, dirt. Wait, you expected to dig a trench on a silo? You never know, mate. You never know.
There you go, mate.
I'm back up. SOFF, you up?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you even see me die?
Yeah, I gave you morphine.
Oh, I think Francis scored.
Bodygamer, are you up? Bodygamer, are you up?
Ah,
Please
Yeah,
stand up, you filthy Russian.
I'm on 71.
There you
where do
go.
you see enemies?
Yes, I am on 71.
West. I think we should be good. Should we move inside the compound?
One guy.
What's up,
Now
Jack?
we stay here.
What is that guy?
I see him. He's dead.
I think Zoro? At
Watch this, watch this,
Oh,
watch this.
there's an.
TGT position.
Wait.
He was probably gonna bomb them.
No, don't,
Yeah,
don't.
we're bringing
Red
Mr.
Wolf.
Egg and Drag with us, so we're not that quick. Shut up. Don't be AFL like that.
The shot went. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, damn, these weapons are highly unsecure. Wow.
Still shots from northwest.
Oh, I see a guy.
Who got
Enemy
it?
down northwest.
It could be VIP. Should we
Blue and red team, get outside the walls here. We've got an unarmed man, could be the VIP. We need to capture him.
I'm repacking my magazines.
Come over here.
All good.
Go, man, get the goose.
Come over here, you filthy.
Just be careful though.
Wait, is that a mine?
What?
It's in the air.
I got eyes on a Ural to the west on the road.
Roger, we'll hit in it.
Starting, the stealing is.
Oh! C4, C4!
Back up, back up, back up!
I just got somebody.
Yeah, you don't have to back. Turn off the truck.
What the heck? What is this?
You saw C4?
Yeah, here.
Sorry about that. Confirm, he had a suicide vest on him.
What?
Roger.
See, that's why shoot first, ask questions later.
Somebody,
It's supposed to go.
please just,
Oh.
Nice.
Well, I'm still up, but I can't do anything.
I'm sorry, but oh my
I can
god.
count 3 members down. Don't go too close to the truck, guys. Please make a 360 on the destroyed truck.
Could you just try to shoot me until I get unconscious?
4 gamers stabilized.
Just try to shoot me until I get unconscious.
Who said that?
Shoot me until I'm unconscious.
Oh, preacher, you're not up. I think
I'm
you...
Shoot up.
semi-up. I can speak, I can do
Oh, now you're up.
most
Yeah.
things, but I can't.
No, but wait.
Just
right
shoot
there.
a shot.
Ah yeah, perfect.
I need someone. I
That
need
was
someone
the
to give
problem.
blood to Dutch.
Wargamer, take a right there. A right.
What do you say?
Turn left, turn left. Okay, it's fine. Don't crash into them.
Are they trying to overtake us?
Don't worry about the civvies. Don't worry about the civvies unless they look like they've got intentions.
Enemy squad to the
Okay,
northeast.
shots.
Okay, break for cover and get out.
There was an explosion. Okay, double time, guys.
Get some good spread. Where's the enemies?
Not my road.
Contact from north side.
Yeah, on the hill.
Do they have technicals?
The BMP is broken. No, BMP is not broken.
Hey, wait, I recognize this town. We've been here already.
Okay, red team, move to the BMP on the north side. Move that location to the overwatch position. Yep.
If you find an RPG, take it. Wolf has an SVD here, but no RPG. No, only RPGs.
We're gonna have to move to the very last town, so what I want to do is just cut through this town and see if we can blitz it all the way through.
Do we take a truck or not?
The truck is busted. There's
Is
There's
the
another truck in front of us on the west, on the road.
Are you sure it's
Maybe an ID.
If it's up and operational and it's not an IED, then we can use it, but only one person should get in it to test. No one should stand
Red,
nearby.
be careful, dude. Be
Okay, red
careful.
team, let's move to the Sam Bunker on the northwest, bearing 299.
Oh!
Oh, what happened with
Nice.
red? Was it a rocket?
That was mine.
Gun is making that noise.
Canis.
Oh,
Send it.
Airborne
DMP
okay, this is
inside the
flash
town.
Out, over.
Could you move back a little bit and get this guy up?
That's an AA.
Where's shots come from?
I have no idea.
From the town center.
Okay, can you use long radio?
Oh, I see.
Red team is AA in the middle of the town.
Okay, this airborne
No!
cannot hear you.
What
guys,
position
yeah.
out of the 4 hours incoming guess?
Yeah, you need to use this long radio.
He might be using orange, but it's like long distance and muted.
Watch out, Dutch.
Did we hit the AA?
No. It's still shooting at us.
It's on the move. Moving grass side.
Ooh, so close. Does somebody have an AT?
It's coming towards us.
Got the enemy AA up here.
That's a big
Good
one.
hit. Alex is down. We need a medic over here.
I'm coming.
I got you, Alex. Got you.
Guys, don't get near vehicles with more than one person.
Enemy second
He's in
floor
the
across
building.
the road.
Kana is net a medic. On the move.
shooting. Where's this one from? Ah, I can see him. I can see him.
Yeah, he's inside the building.
Definitely got enemies of some kind to our north across the main road.
Oh, I see his helmet. I think he's down.
You got him.
I got him.
Okay, cannons get ready to revive me if this goes off. Engines on. We have a moving off-road. And it went wrong.
Yeah, just watch if there is IDs in the truck.
Roof not clear. Balcony clear.
I just heard his voice. I started to scream.
There was 2 people in here. Oh.
What?
Get out!
I hear a lot of shooting. Where's our enemies at?
Right.
At the red location.
Okay, we're ditching the vehicles. We're gonna have to...
Clear.
I've got an ID detected near this main road. I'm about to get in a vehicle. It may explode, I don't know.
I have eyes on you, Alex, so go ahead.
Guys, watch in the truck, the cargo. If there is a bomb in it, don't go in it.
I need medical now because I'm really dying right now.
Okay, Alex is down.
I'm okay.
No,
It just walked out of the explosion.
Yeah, saw you running away from smoke, like, I'm okay. Oh!
Red leg.
Dutch is down. No, he's not.
No, I'm up.
We're all good. We're all good.
Can someone request they send the brown pants to us?
Attention civilian running towards us from the main road.
Direction?
187 from me.
Oh, wait, behind you, guys. Shoot him, shoot him. That's why we shoot him.
Right, I think we should just shoot civilians on sight as a rule.
Take fire.
Take cover, guys.
Northwest.
On the hill.
Packing my magazine.
Use the buildings, don't get hit. We got danger close north of this forest.
SOFF is down.
Thank you. Stay here, preacher,
Yeah,
stay
okay.
here.
Just right
I'll
back.
drag him back to you, because we don't want to risk you dying.
Taking fire still.
Come on. Drag. Yeah, this is good. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, cannon up. I'll see if other needs help.
Surrounded by enemy infantry. Position marked as immobile.
Got you, wargamer. Got you.
Canis is back.
Fresh meat, boys. Fresh meat.
Whoa.
Roger, the one near the mortar mark.
It was me? Yeah, we'll sign that.
Vanishing head.
Delivery.
I think I just need blood and an epi here by duck.
Let me see if I got blood.
Yeah, blood and epi. I don't know if he needs blood, but he got hit really badly. So.
Behind you, behind us is a civvy with an AK.
Nice.
Good call.
Get his medical supplies at least, if he has any.
Oh, a gold watch.
The spoils of war.
Yeah, he got a couple of teeth, but
So
forgot
send
my
home some
pliers.
silver plates.
Okay, red, soft, take the right side, and the rest of the team take the left side, clear the buildings.
Copy.
Oh, you're also low on bandages or not?
Red, tell me once that area on the right is clear. And shoot civilians on site.
Hell yeah.
And now we can.
As long as they're not like a kilometer away, just kill them.
First right compound looks clear.
Clear.
Copy.
But if you see an unarmed military personnel, do not shoot him.
Okay, we clear the compound. Red team, form on me.
I'm stealing duck.
Yeah, I have 11 marks left. I can share a few.
Roger. Next time we stop, if you can please share some.
I'll just put them all in my backpack so you can just pick out.
Oh, enemy on top of the building. Two enemies down.
Red. Right, watch out.
Taking fire.
Oh yeah. Stop, don't die please. Stop down.
Does anybody have morphine?
Nope.
Yes.
Please inject me with 2, because I can't see shit.
Wargamer, why are you so far away from your squad? Actually, Blue, why are you so far away from Wargamer?
Because Wargamer was moving up in a vehicle.
Can you go in airstrike? I can laser designate him.
See if we can hit him with the AT first.
80 on the way.
Good hit.
That's a hit.
Good hit.
I'm prepared to get the crew.
Disembarked.
Down.
Good job.
Okay, I'm waiting here for your formations. Let's see this.
That's amazing.
Contact front.
Red Wolf, you're following the wrong.
Okay, what was that?
It was
Okay.
me blowing up the spot
Oh,
car.
yes,
Guys.
not building.
Guys, you're better than this.
RPG! RPG in the rooftops! He's dead, he's dead.
Oh my god.
I found an RPG, permission to take it with me. Yeah, take it.
Enemy contact north of
Good job. Good job, boys. No.